Each Finesse breast pump comes complete with a dual HygieniKit Milk Collection System. This kit has a proven protective barrier that keeps the breast pump and tubing dry while pumping. Mold and bacteria can easily grow in pump tubing when moisture becomes trapped inside it. With Proven Airlock Protection, the solid diaphragm keeps the air from your pump from coming in contact with your milk while pumping. Even if the milk container is turned on its side or upside down, moisture and milk aerosols will not enter the tubing or the pump. With this solid barrier, you don't have to dry or clean the narrow tubing. Ameda's exclusive Proven Airlock Protection can prevent contamination and simplifies pump care. If your HygieniKit is marked sterile, you may use it right out of the package. If your HygieniKit is not sterile, before using it for the first time, boil those parts of the system that come in contact with your milk for 20 minutes. This includes all parts of the collection kit except adapter cap, tubing, and tubing adapter. After boiling, let these parts air dry. Before pumping, always wash your hands well with soap and water. To assemble the HygieniKit, first insert the diaphragm into the upper chamber of the breast flange. Then snap the adapter cap, with the tubing attached, onto the top of the upper chamber. Next, hold the valve carefully by the thick sides, not the flat edge. The valve will compress slightly. Gently push the valve firmly onto the ring on the underside of the breast flange. The valve is vital for proper suction and should always be handled very gently. Next, screw the collection bottle into place. And finally, push the tubing adapter with tubing attached into the tubing adapter port on the pump. The tubes from both collection kits should be plugged into the tubing adapter. If you single pump and want extra suction, simply remove one tube and close it with the tab on the tubing adapter.